Welcome guys to part 2 of making a prom dress, the Alice in Wonderland theme. So today is basically focused on cutting fabric. I do not know why. It takes me roughly like 3 hours to cut fabric, which is pretty insane. I'm pretty sure there's a faster method, but I'm a bit slow when it comes to cutting fabric. Right now you're just seeing the sped up version, but I like to take my time. I like to pin every single crevice of these panels, only because I'm like, if it moves, I get frustrated. I don't know why. If that's OCD, I don't know. But that's basically all I'm doing. I'm taking all of the panels. If it needs to be cut in a fold line, then I fold it that way. Obviously what I did to the fabric is kind of just spread it out evenly, and then I just folded as I went, just to try to save as much fabric as I can. Because this fabric was just a tad bit expensive with the amount of yards that I needed to get, and I'll be damned if I cut more than I need to, so I'm gonna save as much as possible, especially because of the fact that I do want to make the train long too and very wide open. So that's my method to the madness. But yeah, so I'm just taking all the panels of the base of the dress and pinning everything down and just cutting it. It's pretty self-explanatory. There's a little bit more intricacy when it comes to cutting fabric depending on what you're trying to do with the dress, but for what I'm doing, it's pretty easy. Now this right here, I'm a bit nervous when it comes to this glove because I'm doing it from the shoulder down to the fingertips, so it's not like I'm just kind of adding a regular glove where it stops like at your wrist or anything like that. So that's my first time doing this, so I am a bit nervous because this fabric does not stretch as much, and I know with gloves it's way easier to manipulate and make it work in your favor when it stretches, because if you mess up, it's not noticeable. But for this, if I mess up, it will definitely be noticeable because you'll see like the little puckers and all that stuff. So I'm hoping that this method that I found on YouTube works, and if not, I'm going to cry because I don't want to start over. But yeah, that's basically it, guys. I will see you for part 3. Bye.